Hello friends, in this video we shall learn how to project a point when it is in second quadrant. Now here we have a question. A point P2 is at a distance of 30 mm above HP and 50 mm behind VP. Draw its projections. So from the first information, it is above HP. So when a point is above HP, it can either lie in first quadrant or second quadrant. But again in the second information he has given that it is 50 mm behind VP. So it must lie in the second quadrant, because when you are standing here, the point is set behind VP only when it is in second quadrant. Now we have to draw the projections of this point P2. Let us move to the solution. As I already told, when you are looking from here, this is the front view direction. Okay, here in the previous video also I have already told that these two planes HP and VP are transparent. That means when the object is behind the plane, even then you can see the point. Okay, so when you are looking from this direction, the point appears to be lying on the vertical plane. So the point lies here. Okay, now what is the distance that you see from XY? It appears above XY. It is above the XY line. By what distance? It is 30. So this particular height from XY will be equal to 30. Okay, so this depth cannot be seen from front. So in order to find this depth, you have to look from the top. That means your lines of sight will be perpendicular to HP. When you are looking from the top, you can observe only this much distance. This particular height from the HP will not be seen. So this particular distance you will be able to see the point, and the point appears to be lying on the HP. So this is the top view. When you are looking from the top, you can observe only this particular 50 distance. 30 cannot be seen. Now from the principle, you have to rotate horizontal plane in clockwise direction about HP. So coming to the rotation, after rotation, what will happen? VP and HP will be aligned to each other. Okay, sorry, this is VP. This is when it is in second quadrant. Now this particular horizontal plane, it is rotated, right? So HP is now tilted. Now here this is the drawing chart. For example, your top view is in this portion of the HP. So this top view is moving upwards, right, when you are rotating. So here this itself is HP and VP. Okay, so when you are looking at the drawing chart, you have an XY line here. Okay, I will first draw the front view. Front view is at a height of 30 from XY. So this is 30. This is the point. Okay, I will name it as P2 dash, because in front for front view you have to put dash, and this line is already there, and this 50 mm line, this particular line is also rotated. So both the lines will be aligned, aligned to each other. Okay, so along the same line I will draw 50 mm line. So this particular location, this particular point is P2, which is nothing but the top view. The total distance of P2 from XY will be 50. So this is 50. So this will be 20. So don't measure 20. You just extend this line up to 50 mm until you read 50 mm on the scale from XY line. Okay. So let us now draw the projection of this point. On the same previous XY line, I can answer different questions. Okay, you don't have to draw XY line separately for each and every question. I am using 2H pencil. Okay, with 2H pencil I am drawing. I will maintain some distance of 4 centimeters from answer to answer. Here I will draw the new answer. I will tighten. After aligning one edge of the scale to this line, I am tightening the drafter. I am locking it. Now I will move that the drafter to this point. What is the front view? I am drawing the front view. It is at a distance of 30 mm above xy. Okay, so I will measure 30. Okay, I will darken this point. This is the object. And this is the front view of the object. So I will name it as P2 dash. Now I will measure 50 from the same xy along the same line. So this is 30 plus 20. So here is 50. So this is the top view. This is P2. Now while dimensioning, you have to again maintain a gap of 1 centimeter minimum. Why we are maintaining 1 centimeter gap is in order to clearly distinguish the projection line and dimension line. If both are close to each other, it will not look good. Okay, so here again I am drawing dimension line. This is 30. Okay, now don't mention 20 here because 20 has nothing to do with the answer. Okay, in the question he has mentioned 50 mm above, 50 mm above HP. Yeah, so you have to mention that 50 only, not 20. Okay, so on 50 mm behind VP. Okay, so I am mentioning that 50 only. So on the other side I will do that dimension. So this is the answer for the given question. You have drawn projections of point. This is the top view and this is front view, both in small letters. Okay, both in small letters.